So for this object lesson, right there at the blue line, that's the question that you're going to ask. How do you feel when you realize you're facing a tough time, or when you have heard the news that somebody you know is facing a tough time? And they're going to write those words on this jar. So it might be angry, upset, mad, sad, etc., etc., etc. Then they're going to take that jar and you're going to say, this is us. We represent this with all the hurt and those hurtful words and the pain and sadness on the outside. And then you're going to take and you're going to put it in this bag and say, but we try to put on a good face and we hide ourselves with this, bag to make ourselves look like everything's okay and everything's going to be just fine. And on the outside, we hide all those things. And then if that doesn't work, then sometimes we find ourselves in a spot and we just want to hide under the covers and close out the world around us, and we feel if we're just in here, then nothing's going to get to us. And at this point you say you need somebody to play the world. They're going to actually stand on this, and they may have to bounce up and down or jump up and down to get it to break, and say, but what happens is the weight of the world will eventually get to us and it will break us. And then flip it back open, and then you'll hold up this bag full of broken pieces, and here we are. We think we look good on the outside, but on the inside we're full of hate and anger and sadness, and we're broken. And then you can kind of set that aside and go on to the next part. Cool? Cool.